This is the outdoor terrace in the international terminal at San Francisco Airport that I'm arriving at. Never been here before, but we'll go and check it out. Awesome. Sweet. Just in time. Oh, this is magnificent. Yeah, so this is the outdoor terrace at the international terminal. It's at the very end of the finger here at SFO Airport. I did not know this existed. So if you're traveling from San Francisco and you're going on an international flight at the international terminal, G gates, and the very end of the finger is this completely open air observation deck or terrace, I'll call it. So you can come out here if you've got time to kill. I made a special effort to have 2 hours before my flight departure time to come through security so I could soak up the action here. But it is really, really nice. The windows are clear, great view, aircraft pushing back behind me here. United 737-300. We've got a Lufthansa 747-8 right there, I guess on its way to Frankfurt. That's in the special retro livery. That's very cool. So if you're ever in San Francisco, you definitely want to fly an international flight so you can make access to this this special area possible. Definitely recommend it.
I get that, but talk to you. I mean, you know, we gotta do this to get low. You know what I mean? Like, I get talk to you. But it's like, you can't tell them, right?
Yeah. It's always the basic one where they tell you, like, I'm just like, going like, okay, go further.
Oh, like when they go over you and everything.
and you want to soak up aircraft action here at SFO, they even have lounge chairs where you can chill and soak up the aroma of burnt JP or jet fuel and savor the sounds of aircraft taxiing and starting engines. It's a 24 out of 10. And I think every other airport in the world should take note. Hang on, sorry, we've got some action here. Standby one. So here, this is a good view of the facility behind me. It's a pretty big open area. I'm not sure what the opening hours are of this place, but you definitely get a great view. And as you can see, right here behind me are some empty chairs. You can chill, relax, put your feet up, sleep, catch up on some jet lag, check your emails, etc. And when there's something happening at the gates, you can just jump up and photograph and film to your heart's content. We've got the Lufthansa Retro 747-8 behind me. That's awesome to see. So that's operating the Frankfurt service. And yeah, believe it or not, we've actually got the Lufthansa A340s coming into Vancouver. So Lufthansa has fully reactivated their classics. Well, everything except the A380 actually, but the 74s and the A340s are back in service. And I guess they'll be in service up until the A350s are on strength. And I know they're waiting for A350 deliveries. And yeah, if you're ever in San Francisco, this is a great find, and I definitely highly recommend it. But again, you've got to be flying from the international finger at the G gates here at SFO to take advantage of this fabulous location.